Hi there, I am Paul Yaterman, a scientist by day and among other things an artist by night. Here I draw stuff, spaceships, still life, original characters, life drawing, creatures and mystical beasties. In these videos I tend to show the post-thumbnailing drawing process resulting in a completed work. That typically involves a grey or blue pencil sketch, inking with fine liner, perhaps a scan of the intermediate work, and finally colouring using markers, pencil and sometimes Photoshop. Mostly I offer these up as time-lapse, mostly. Now and then I'll live stream, sometimes I'll show the video at normal speed for its entirety, so that's 60 minutes of fun, not much talking. If this sounds like something that would float your boat or provide you with inspiration, sketch ideas or instruction, activate the subscribe button and hit like right now. Also, comment with feedback or requests. Okay, let's see where I'm up to in the time-lapse. Again, like most videos, we come in on the adding fine liner to the drawing. So what I'm doing here is I drew a sort of aquatic creature a while back, and I figured I could either do a genus or a species or base a whole ecosystem around this sort of design. So I've riffed on that a bit and I've come up with this tentacle monster. Even though it does say I'm adding colour, I'm still doing the darker sections to give it some weighting and some popping out. And here some greens and oranges to make it sort of look realistic. Here I am trying to emulate like muscle striations with the red, and then greys for shading and hopefully making tentacles have some sort of cylindrical cross section. You also see on the tentacles they have sort of dots and circles and bumps and stuff to give it some sort of random lifelikeness. Now we're just adding lines to give it some more weighting. And more lines. And with the lines being curved, it gives the underlying tentacles a curved aspect rather than just being flat. And sometimes with these drawings you find the more shading you add, the better they come out. So whether or not you want to do a finished piece or a half-assed or not half-assed incomplete piece, shading tends to be the key on this sort of stuff. And a little bit of pencil to give it some extra colouring. And that's about that. So, what do you think? How would you have drawn this? Let me know your thoughts or ideas in the comments. If you have found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw on your own sketchbook, or any fun stuff like that, subscribe to my channel, like this video and consider sharing it. Ideally, share it. If you were inspired to draw, share with me your creation in the comments or by tagging me on social media. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yaterman. Ciao, take care and happy drawing.